Pawpaw, Sammy, and Bldg here. I was asked what kind of foam I have in the shed. As per se, last night, it was in the lower 30s all night. Right now in the shed is 58 degrees. No heat. It's just heavy insulated. The doors, the walls. Now here's the thing. It's spray-on insulation on the walls. But the man told me, he said, there's two types. The hard foam, which is like that. He said there's a softer foam that we can spray on the ceiling that's more economical. And I said, what's the difference? Now my understanding, the difference is one of them is extremely dense and one would be not quite so dense. And I asked about the thermal quality. He said the hard foam's a little bit better and it stands up to wear and tear on the walls, as you can see. Now, so like I said, that's my understanding on the insulation. Now the door itself is insulated. It's double paneled with insulation in the center. All right. When I take it down, it fits tight around the bottom. There's no daylight coming in there. And one reason why is when I lower the door, I make sure it's jammed tight to hold it down tight where it can't move. Now, I have a real small heater that I'm turning on. I want you to hear it. I put it on this morning, about 30 minutes ago. The temperatures went from 54 degrees to 56. That's the heater right there. It's raised at 2 degrees in about 30 minutes. Now I'll leave it go for about 3 or 4 hours. It'll push it up to 70 degrees in here. And I'll turn it off. And in the morning, it'll be back down around 55, 58. And I'll take it from there.